Hey, what up, y'all? Here we are in Chicago at Southside Hackerspace. I'm editing the Sawmill episode. Basically, I just wanted to take a quick second and give you guys a quick explanation because this video is kind of just jumping straight into it. A lot of no dialogue and then some dialogue near the end. But basically, we're at the Sawmill. We get some wood recut. Then we'll go to the vet. We'll go check out some red cedar. And somewhere in the middle of all that, we're going to pick it all up from the garden and drive back to Chicago because somebody wanted to buy the van. We didn't really document that whole turnaround too well, but here's what we got.
That's choppy as hell, dude.
That is a pretty little piece.
Yeah, it's just choppy right there.
Got some cabinet faces and a countertop.
That one turned out better. A lot better. That's way better. I don't think we hit that nail either, brother.
No,
Never made a difference in the cut.
doesn't look like it.
Hey, I'm excited now.
All right, y'all. We're here in Tennessee. The sawmill is called Treasures to Trees, or I'm sorry, Trees to Treasures. I'll make sure to get that proper link down in the description for y'all. But we 2 nights ago picked up some 3.5 and 4-inch slabs of some black walnut, and I gave my buddy Russell over here a call. I had met him a week earlier, checking out his black walnut stash and all his other slabs. You can see some hickory and some white oak stacks over here. But he went ahead, cut them on down for us, so we got 2 countertops to dry out, and I got these 2 little extra slabs here that I'm probably Gonna go ahead and make the cabinet faces out of, so we'll have a fully matching wood grain situation going on there, which is pretty awesome. It's pretty cold out here. It's about 30 degrees. He already went inside and taking some time off. It was actually a lot of work to recut these pieces, but we're excited. Now we just got to sit down and let these pieces of wood dry, which it's gonna take some time. I think over a year if we let it dry naturally. So you guys might see me making a video building a little wood drying kiln with these pieces in there. Who knows? Maybe I find somebody who's got a kiln built already and they just charge a couple bucks to keep it in there. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But here we are, y'all. We'll see y'all soon. Hey, y'all. So we're in the car. We're on our way to town. Little Phoenix has got something going on with his leg. We're pretty worried. So we're gonna take him over to the vet, and while we're in town, we're gonna go ahead and stop by this guy who keeps a storage unit full of red cedar that he's been drying for some time now. The price sounds great, and we're gonna see what he's got right after we take care of little Phoenix. Hope the little bugger's gonna be all right. All right, so we just left the vet. Phoenix is gonna be all right, folks. Looks like, actually, I guess they weren't 100% sure what was going on with his leg. They did drain it. They gave him some antibiotics. What the doc said is it could be an old injury that's just flaring back up, and he's got a lot of bruising going on in there. So we drained it, gave him some antibiotics, gave him some steroids, and follow back up in a month and see what things are looking like. Not necessarily with this same vet, since we're traveling, we're on the road, but it's recommended to get him checked up one more time. The gentleman was, could you grab the card out of the top of the carrier box? The gentleman that we visited was, I believe the vet was called Southwater Veterinary. Here's his card for y'all.
Dr. Baber.
Dr. Baber is a very, very sweet gentleman. He was very understanding of how we're traveling. He very much enjoyed our story, and he gave us a very, very great rate. Also, in terms of what a vet visit really costs. So Phoenix is up to date. He's also got his rabies up to date now, and we picked up some flea treatment since we're heading back into summer now. Those ticks are gonna come back on out. We're outdoor people, so we need to take care of the animals. But if you're ever in Gallatin, Tennessee, or in the area, Southwater Veterinary Clinic.